Guys, for sponsorship, guys, you can um, send donations in my PayPal account or maybe in my Gcash account, guys. It's in the description link below, and um, I will gonna put a link, and just wait, guys. I'm just gonna get some of this. Maybe. Darling. Good morning. If you want to see it hard, you can just PM me or just message me. So I can show here because it will kill my channel, and it would gonna make me so sad. You know, I have so many, like multiple times that I'm doing some of that lately, and now I'm deciding just to, you know, just don't show or just make a private for that. Yes, it's a burden, it's sad to lose some channels terminated, so many channels that are terminated. That's why I'm playing safe now. So if you want to see some hard rock videos, um, you can, you can just message me, or you can follow me on my Twitter account, or you can directly message me at my WhatsApp, so that we can, talk or know each other. Maybe like that. And by the way, shout out to Sweet Cherry.